Okay, this is a movie of Zach playing football. Throw it far. Hard. Come here. Okay, come here, Zach. Here, give me the ball. Okay, okay. You ready? Come on. Wait. Oh, you didn't jump over it? Why? Oh, okay.
Let me get out of the way. And then he'll bring it to you.
Oh, I like to watch him
here.
jump. Okay, here, Zach.
to Mama.
Let me throw. Okay, you ready to go out for a pass? You ready to go out for a pass? Okay, go!
You get it?
Yeah.
Jumping?
Yeah. My little football player. Okay, you ready? You ready? Here you go. Whoa!
Oh, my land.
You never know where Mommy's going to throw it. Whee! There goes Madison with his little frisbee.
Let go of it. Okay, here we go, Mama.
Okay. Go get it, Zach. Oh, my land. Here he comes. Like nothing.
See, that's not nothing.
We're trying to grow our grass. My grass here, and Madison's, Zach's big feet. All right. Nice. Come on, fly. Yee! Oh, boy.
Okay. You think you better rest?
No. Say no. Here, I'll throw it. I'll give him a good one. Okay, you ready? You ready? Go out. Go get it. Come on. Whee! Okay, I think he's tired. Let's see. One more look at Madison. Whoops. There's little Madison with his frisbee just looking at it and looking at it. Get it, Madison. Get it. Come on. That's what he does all day. Just plays with that frisbee all by himself. All right. No, he won't let you.